Hey guys, Get Level here, and today we're gonna be talking about this headset. So I've been using this headset for over a year now. You may know it as the cat ears headset. It's basically a cheap headset that I bought out of Amazon without even thinking twice about it. My goal was just to get something comfortable, noise cancelling, and that really wouldn't hurt after hours of gaming. But when it comes to live streaming, because you all know this channel is about helping you make better content, when it comes to live streaming, I always tell people that headset mics are never as good as condenser mic. It's not always true, but most of the time you will see a streamer use their headset mic and it always sounds terrible. So I've actually never ever tested this microphone on this headset until today, and I'm like, wait a second, this sounds pretty good. Now the headset in itself, very comfortable, it's big, and it looks super good. Like the LEDs and all of that, that's pretty awesome. So it actually comes with two jacks, one for the mic, one for the audio, for the headset, and one USB that is just to power the LEDs. So if you want to show off while you're live streaming, the best thing to do is actually plug in that USB to flash the LEDs. Now, when it comes to microphone, you're always going to get into some issues when you're using a jack microphone because these really capture interference a lot. When it comes to the sound coming out of the headset, it's actually pretty faithful. I wish it had more of the high frequencies, but it's pretty good. You have some good bass and it can get pretty loud, and it really covers your ears so you won't be able to hear too much of what's happening around you. But we're still talking about less than 50 bucks, not that renowned brand headset, so keep that in mind. So I bought mine last year on sale and it was only 18 euros, so I had a pretty good deal. But it's selling out on Amazon UK for £35, and I was able to find it for $26.99 on Amazon.com. It also comes with that little divider basically where you can just plug one thing in and it separates the audio and the microphone, but I've never used that. But anyways, this video is not meant to be a complete review of the headset. It's mostly like, if you're gonna buy this headset, especially if you find it on sale, it's absolutely worth it because the microphone actually sounds pretty good. So if you're like a new streamer or something like that, or you just don't have the budget to buy some of those high-end headsets, this one is comfortable. I can use it for hours, my ears don't hurt, and on top of that, of course, the microphone sounds pretty good. So for $27-ish, you can have that combo of headset with a microphone, and you're good to go if you're streaming. As you can probably tell, this whole video was recorded using only the audio, the unaltered audio from the headset. So you will hear a little bit of noise, but if you're live streaming, your broadcasting software most likely has a noise suppression filter and also has a noise gate filter, so you can use that to make the sound even better. You can even throw in a compressor and make it sound way better. Of course, there's some sort of etiquette when you're using a headset mic. As you can see, it's not directly in front of my mouth, so all the air is not hitting the mic at all, so you don't need a pop filter for that. I'm being loud, I'm being quite clear, so you can really hear what I'm saying without having to put the mic inside my mouth. So those are things to keep in mind when you're using a headset mic, especially if you're broadcasting yourself live. You want it to be as pleasant as possible. Once again, it's very sensitive, so you're going to have to watch out to not hit the microphone, to not move your headset too much. But that's pretty much all I have to say about this headset. I own it, so I was like, why not test it to the full extent and make a video about it to let you know, oh, this is how this headset sounds if you haven't bought it or if you're considering buying it. If you guys know about other cool headset mics and stuff like that, let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely go on YouTube and check out all the different audio specs for those. And also let me know what you think about the sound. This is unedited sound, this is unaltered sound. I want to give you the exact way it actually sounds when you just plug it in and put it on. Keep in mind, you plug it in with a jack, so you might have some interference with your computer fan and stuff like that. But for me, if I plug it directly into my tower, it sounds exactly like that. Minimal noise, pretty good frequencies. The bass is actually quite impressive. I didn't think it was gonna capture bass at all. But yeah, let me know what you think of this sound, and I will see you guys later. I'm not gonna do the whole social media thing. Go out there, make me proud. Thank you guys so much for watching. Get Level out.
destiny, don't worry about it. I live in the moment, don't talk about it. I'm ghost riding, I got to provide. I got so many tears that I'm trying to hide. You feel the vibe, give comfortable. Be original and stay humble. And if you stumble, just struggle in your bubble. Put some talent in the gloves and get ready to rumble.